This Spicer 211359X center bearing is a genuine, original equipment replacement, so it matches factory specifications for fit and performance on compatible driveline setups. The bearing is designed for vehicle-specific applications, which helps ensure proper alignment and reduces driveline vibration when installed on the correct truck or sport utility vehicle. Built by a long-established drivetrain specialist, this center support uses proven materials and construction methods that stand up well to heavy use and harsh road conditions. Owners appreciate that the unit arrives ready to install without modification, making it a straightforward choice for refreshing a worn or noisy center support. The component is manufactured in the United States, which gives many buyers added confidence in its quality control and consistency. Overall, this Spicer center bearing offers reliable support for the drive shaft, contributing to smoother operation and longer service life for the drivetrain.